Hi, Steve Nugent here for Frontier Ag and Turf. Today we are at Farm Technology Days and we are demonstrating Trac in our 6170R. What we're going to do first is set an AB line to use straight Trac. To set an AB line, we have to set our Trac 0. Every line needs a new name. I like to name them with numbers. So we set our point A, where we are at right now. And we have to drive to the other end of the field before we can set our point B. Now that we've driven a distance, we can set point B. We hit accept. Now we have a line on our screen. Turn the steering function on and then hit our Trac resume button. And we are auto steering. The screen tells us how many inches off we are of our target line. We have our line set 30 feet apart right now. We can change that based on the implement that we are pulling. As soon as you grab the steering wheel, you take control back of the vehicle. You can get yourself onto any line you want. Hit the Trac resume button, and the tractor goes back to steering itself. Now we're going to go through curve Trac, where we set an AB curve up, and you can follow a contour field. We go into guidance settings and switch our tracking mode from straight Trac to AB curves. Again, we have to give it a new name for each curve that we are doing. We can call this one east since we're headed east. We start recording and we simply drive the desired curve that we are trying to map out. As we are driving, the screen is recording every GPS position that we are on so that it can duplicate our curved path. When you get to the end of your desired path, you stop recording, press accept, turn our steering function back on once again. And when we turn, we'll get on a line. And have it steer us through our contour field. Again, when you want to grab control, you simply turn the steering wheel and you are back in charge. Turn around at the headland, find our next line over, And the final tracking mode we use quite a bit of is adaptive curves. Now, unlike straight track or A-B curves, we don't get multiple lines across the field. We only get one more line next to what we just did. So to make an adaptive curve, we turn the recording function on, and we simply leave that on for the entirety of that field. As I am driving, similar to A-B curve, it's mapping everything I'm doing. However, it's only going to make one more line next to me parallel to what I just did. So with adaptive curves, when you get to your headland, turn around, you simply line yourself up parallel to the line you just made, and a new white line will show up. Now, you leave the recording function on because as we are auto tracking down this line, it is also recording for our next line over. For instance, as soon as I were to turn and go parallel to what I just did, we would get another new line to show up and have it steer us along our way.
Thank you for viewing our AutoTrac demonstration. Please contact your local Frontier Ag and Turf salesperson for more information on AutoTrac and other precision technologies. We hope you have a very nice day.